Welcome back to Auto Review, the home of in-depth car insights and the latest automotive updates. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about revivals in the auto world, the legendary 2026 Hindustan Ambassador. That's right, the car that once defined Indian roads is back, and it's making a bold statement in a modern world. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new Ambassador such a unique and nostalgic yet futuristic ride. The first thing that grabs your attention is the updated exterior design. While it carries forward the unmistakable silhouette of the original Ambassador, the 2026 model gets a futuristic refresh. The rounded bonnet and iconic grille return with a modern LED twist, now flanked by sleek adaptive matrix headlights that give it a more premium look. The bodywork has been refined for aerodynamics, with flush door handles, sculpted side panels, and a chrome-accented beltline that wraps elegantly around the car. The new alloy wheels with a retro spoke pattern are a nod to its heritage, and the dual-tone color options give the Ambassador a truly sophisticated, head-turning appeal on the road. From the front to the back, the vehicle maintains a balance between its vintage charm and contemporary elegance. Step inside and the nostalgia continues, but with a heavy dose of high-tech luxury. The interior of the 2026 Hindustan Ambassador is where tradition meets innovation. The dash features a clean, minimalist layout with premium soft-touch materials and leatherette upholstery that gives a plush, upscale feel. The large 14-inch floating infotainment touchscreen supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and built-in navigation. There's also a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster that changes themes based on drive mode. Ambient lighting with customizable colors lines the cabin, creating a warm and refined atmosphere for passengers. Comfort is clearly a priority here. The rear seats are spacious, thanks to the extended wheelbase, and offer features like adjustable headrests, center armrests, and USB-C charging ports. For the driver, the ergonomics are spot on. The flat-bottom steering wheel comes with haptic feedback controls, while the driving position gives excellent visibility. Noise insulation is superb, providing a calm and peaceful ride even on crowded city roads or highways. There's also a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging pad, and dual-zone climate control, features that push this model into the premium segment. Hindustan Motors hasn't just resurrected a name, they've reimagined what it means to drive the Ambassador in the modern age. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Ambassador is available in two powertrain options, a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivering 140 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque, and an all-electric variant with a 45 kilowatt-hour battery pack producing 170 horsepower and an impressive 300 Nm of torque. The petrol version is mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, while the EV version features a single-speed automatic drive with regenerative braking and 3 drive modes, Eco, Comfort, and Sport. The petrol model accelerates from 0 to 100 in about 9.8 seconds, while the EV version is even quicker at around 8.2 seconds. In terms of handling, the Ambassador is surprisingly agile for its size, thanks to a reworked suspension setup and a lower center of gravity. The ride quality is smooth, even on broken roads, and the steering feels light yet responsive, ideal for urban driving and highway cruising alike. Braking is solid with all-wheel disc brakes, ABS, and EBD as standard. On the electric front, the new Ambassador offers a range of up to 420 kilometers on a single charge and supports fast charging, giving you up to 80% battery in just under 40 minutes. The car also comes with Level 2 ADAS features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, bringing it up to speed with international standards in vehicle safety and driver assistance. Now for the price. The 2026 Hindustan Ambassador petrol variant starts at an estimated 11.5 lakh rupees for the base trim and goes up to 14.8 lakh for the fully loaded version. The EV variant, being more tech-loaded and futuristic, starts at 17.9 lakh rupees and tops out at around 21 lakh for the top-tier model with extended range and full ADAS suite. These prices place the new Ambassador in a highly competitive market space, targeting buyers looking for nostalgia, style, performance, and modern-day practicality all in one. So there you have it. The 2026 Hindustani Ambassador is not just a revival, it's a complete reinvention. It captures the spirit of the past while confidently stepping into the future. If you're someone who grew up seeing this car dominate Indian streets, or you're simply looking for something different that blends character and technology, the new Ambassador deserves a serious look. That's it for today's review on Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the return of this Indian icon. See you.